Hi, well today I'm planning on doing a video on how to make a new peg head design as a template. However, the honeydew list broke in and has disrupted my entire plans for this video. So now you're going to see me repair some cement. This is a bird bath, and what you're going to see here is something that Michael would just have a fit if he saw this, because he would use cement and whatnot, but I don't have any. But what I do have is something that worked very well on the top, and that's called Starbond glue. It's a CA glue, and if you haven't used Starbond, then here's another application for Starbond. Now what I have right in here are a whole bunch of small little cracks that I can see all up in here, and the first thing I'm going to do is take the thin so that it will wick into those cracks, and I'm just going to apply a little bit here. I just want it to run. By the way, I'm doing this indoors because it's now started to rain outside, so that's why we had to come in here to do this. There's some cracking around here, and I want to just make sure we got this nice and tight and filled with lots of Starbond. I have the Starbond Accelerator here, and what this does is speeds up the drying of the glue in all these cracks, so you don't need to hit it too much because that's already at the point where it's dry. Now what I have here is just a small stick that I'm going to use to spread the Starbond thick in here. Now this is really good stuff. I use this on the top of the bird bath, and it sealed it totally. It was just wonderful. So Michael, I'm sorry I don't have cement, but I got CA from Starbond, and that's as good as it gets. Look at that, just fill that right up. Now we'll just leave that for a second. It's going to kind of wick in there. That'll just help it dry. Because it's so thick, it'll take a little longer to dry, but I can also already see it scummed over, and we'll be able to paint over that shortly because this is all getting painted again, obviously. I'll put a little up in here, not quite as much, and then I will spread it with this stick. Okay, that's it for this real fast episode of using Starbond on a bird bath, believe it or not, and it worked great. And it worked so much for the actual bath part. It stopped all the leaking. It's great stuff. I encourage you to get some. Meanwhile, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. By all means, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you later.